This is your Monex Metals Market Update with Mike Maroney.
Good afternoon. It's Tuesday, July 10th. My name is Mike Maroney, coming to you today from the Monex Precious Metals Studio. Let's do our week in preview. We've got both gold and silver trying to put in a bottom as silver went as low as $15.74 last week, bouncing back to an intraday high of $16.26 yesterday, and gold traded as low as $12.38, bouncing back to an intraday high of $12.63 yesterday. Now we have some interesting developments in the gold market. And if you watch gold will most likely be the bellwether as far as the sector is concerned. What's happened in the gold market is gold traded back below the 400-day moving average. And we've seen this 3 or 4 times over the last few years. Each time this has taken place, what has happened is we have put in V bottoms, and once we've traded back above the 400-day moving average, we've had nice rallies of anywhere between $50 to $75. So the bottom line right now for gold is, if gold can break back above 1272, 1273 on a close, that will be a solid close back above the 400-day moving average. And what will probably happen at that point is we will see short covering and new buyers come into play. Watch for this price very carefully, because this will be an absolutely key pivot as investors are waiting for gold to prove that 1238 low that took place last week is the potential bottom. In the silver market, silver traded as high as $16.26. The 20-day moving average is right around $16.33. So like gold, you have a key upside pivot that we're going to have to breach in order to bring in new buyers. Because what happened was when silver dropped, we saw a lot of new spec shorts come on board. Now these shorts are going to get very nervous if silver can close above that 20-day moving average at $16.33. So watch for some heavy short covering and new buying to potentially push silver back up to the 100 or 200-day moving average, which sits right around $16.55 and $16.70. The bottom line right now is the overall situation that exists in the world is a world full of debt. And this debt is growing so large that the only way the world is going to get out from under it is by continuing to print more and more money. And as you print more money, it dilutes the system with paper, and paper looks for a better alternative. And if gold and silver are putting in a bottom, and if you think about the volatility that's going to sit out on the horizon based on the election coming up in November and all of the things happening over in Europe, now may be one of the greatest times to investigate whether you should be involved in precious metals. So give us a call here at Monex so we can find out if precious metals make sense for you and your portfolio. Thank you.